Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code FH301. Your graphics driver is older than minimum supported version. Fixing this error is pretty easy. So we have to update our graphics card drivers. If you are using NVIDIA graphics card, then just open NVIDIA app on your computer, then go to drivers tab. Then from here we have to update graphics card drivers. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, then just go to this NVIDIA drivers website. Now on this website we need to select the graphics card we are using. So I have this graphics card, I have selected it. Then choose your device system. Now we need to select find, and then it will show you the drivers your graphics card have. And now this is the latest driver. We need to click on view. After that we need to download the graphics card drivers. Now once the graphics card drivers files gets downloaded, we have to just double tap it and just go through the installation process and update your graphics card drivers. Once you have updated them successfully, then just restart your PC and your problem should get fixed. If you have AMD graphics card, then in that case we need to go to this AMD website, and on this website we need to scroll down, select graphics card, and then choose the graphics card you currently have. So I'll just select this one. After that select submit. Choose your system. If it is Windows 11, then select it and click on download to download the latest graphics drivers and install them on your PC. After installation we have to restart our computer and the problem should be fixed. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel.